This video demonstrates a procedure for identifying genes that regulate C. elegans growth and body size using RNA interference, or RNAi, to inactivate candidate genes. First, plates containing bacteria that express double-stranded RNA that target the genes of interest are prepared. Fourth larval stage hermaphrodites are transferred to the RNAi plates. Once they reach the young adult stage, they're transferred to new RNAi plates to lay eggs. After several hours, they're removed, leaving synchronized populations of embryos. At the desired stage of development, the progeny are collected and mounted on slides. Finally, microscopic images of the worms are acquired. Analysis of the image demonstrates changes in body size caused by gene inactivation.
Though this method can be used to identify regulators of the TGF-β signaling pathway, it can also be applied to other pathways that regulate post-embryonic development in C. elegans, such as the insulin signaling pathway.
Begin this procedure by cloning the target gene sequences into vector L4440, a commonly used worm RNAi plasmid. Transform the recombinant plasmid into the bacterial strain HT115DE3. Culture the transformed bacteria on LB agar plates with 25 micrograms per milliliter of carbonicillin and 12.5 micrograms per milliliter tetracycline. Then, pick a single clone for future use. Meanwhile, transform the empty vector L44.